You know what? I don't think he needs a bath tonight. He had one yesterday. Although we're getting a good idea of what it'll look like when he's 60, when he's got gray hair.
Yeah. Oh my god. This is the most fun anyone's ever had making bread.
You get out of the den. Hey.
Jeez, Bodie.
Bodie.
No.
Listen. Out of the den. You're disgusting. In an awesome sort of way.